Alright, so this last part here, we're going to the grids. So take out your handout and go to the grids, and you'll see a bunch of them on one side. And you'll see 2.3 times 0.5, 1.4 times 0.7. I want you to ignore those two because I didn't cover that. Not particularly fond of this, but the only one I will cover for the multiplication part on the top is the one that says 0.4 times 0.6. Okay, and let's see where it is. So highlighter. Alright, so just look at that one where it says 0.4 times 0.6. Okay, and 0.4 times 0.6. So 0.4, here's me highlighting 0.4, which means 40. Okay. Then let me change colors. Let's use pink. When you want to go across 0.6, you could have gone either way. You could have done with the other color first. That's 20. That's 30. That's 40. That's 50. I think that's 60. So your answer is where those two colors intersect. Okay, and the area where they intersect, and it's right here. Okay, so if you were to count those squares, you would have 24 squares out of 100, or 0.24. Okay, the division, those I will do all. Okay, so let's go back to that. And let's do the first one. It's 2.1 divided by 0.7. So 2.1, let's choose that color. 2.1 means 2 full squares. Guess we're using pink. Bear with me. 2.1. Okay, 2.1. That is 2. Okay. Alright, so that's 2 very pink squares. And 2.1, 0.1 means tens. Okay, 1 is in the tens position, so it's 10 squares. So, and we want to know, this is division. Okay, remember division, it's a little different. With division, let me pick a color here, hopefully that will write. And then can I write on that? Let's see. Will it show? Yeah. So with division, you want to know how many times can 0.7, so here's our problem, let me write it on top. 2.1 divided by 0.7. That's taking a long time. Alright, so how many groups of 70 can I fit into 2.1? So let's count. 10, 20, 30, 70 would be right here. That's one group. Okay. Now I want to take these 30 and use 40 here. 10, 20, 30, 40. That's another group of 70 that I can make. Okay. And let's see if I can make another group of 71. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Hey, guess what? I can actually make another group of 70. So, how many times does 0.7 fit into 2.1? The answer is 3. Okay. Next question is 1.8 divided by 1.8 divided by 0.45. And again, this one, I want to start shading my highlighter. I'm going to take, let's use pink, that's fine. So 1.8, it means 1 full box. Okay. Okay, 1 full box. And one full box and 0.8. 0.8 would be 10, 20, 30, all the way to 80. That's 1.8. Think about money. Money would be 1 full dollar, or 100 pennies, which is 1 square, and 80 of the next square. Okay, let's make this 80 a little better. All right, so, and the question is, how many times can 0.45 go into 1.8? All right, so we'll let's find out. Okay, so we're counting this. We're making groups of 0.45, 45 squares. So that's 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a group of 45 squares right here. 10 columns and 5 of another. Okay, so I'm going to do 5 columns. I'm sorry, 4 columns. Ooh, shoot. No, no. Gotta do this again. All right, so let's try this a little better. 10, 20, 30, 40. And here, that's include those 5, so that makes it 45. Okay, that's all right. So that's one group of 45. So I have 5 here left over in here. So and I'm going to stand that to make it another group of 45. Why is this crooked? 10, 20, 30. Sorry. No. Let's try again. That's 5, 10, 20. Much better. Okay. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Good. It's another group of 45. So here I have 10 on that left over, 20, 30, 40, and I want to include 5. So there's my 45 right there. And let's see if I have 45 left over. I have 10, 20 going down, 30 going down, 40 going down, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. There's my last group of 45. So how many groups of 45 can I make inside 1.8? 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's my answer. Okay? 4, not 5. Sorry. Jeez. All right. And then I have one more question. Last one, 0.99. That's a odd number. So 0.99 is almost a complete box, very close, but not. Okay. So that's 90, and then we're going to do all the way except for that last box. Okay, and this question we want to know it's 0.99 divided by 0.33. 0.99, let me write it out actually. 0.99 divided by 0.33, and we want to see how many times we can fit groups of 33 boxes inside that particular pink box. So I pick, okay, well, so let's see if I can, all right, so that's 10, 20, 30, so I want to take 30, those are 30, and I want to take 3 more. There we go. That's 33 boxes. Okay, so let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that'll be 21. 21 and 6 is 27. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, up to here. So this right here will be another group of 33. Let's see how much I have left over. 10, 20, and this is 9, so it's 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. This would be my last group of 33. So I was able to make one group of 33, 2, and 3 groups of 33. So how many times can 0.33 go into 0.99? 3 times. Okay, I hope they helped. Okay, careful out there tomorrow. So if I don't see you tomorrow, I'll probably see you Friday. Okay, I'll be posting this very, very soon.